Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecilia Hall, and my YouTube channel is Cecilia Hall's Word. And on this YouTube channel I discuss about healthy meal, I discuss about home decoration, I discuss about life vlog. And today's video I'll actually be talking about how to make a natural vitamin C face serum. How to make natural vitamin C face serum. And to make this serum, I'll be using this three couple of ingredients I have in this bottle. The witch hazel, I'll be using lemon, I'll be using this aloe vera, which is good for body and face. I'll be using the orange, and actually for the orange and the lemon I'll be using the peel. I'll be using the zest for that. And this natural vitamin C serum can be used to brighten our skin, to glow our body, especially the face, because that's the part that we're exposed to sunlight most of the times. And the lemon and the orange, they have some ingredients and some wonderful nutrients that can help us to achieve this naturally. So, and this is actually good for people of different colors. Maybe you're white, you're brown skin, you're light skin, you can use these. And also it's safe for children. So I'll be working on this today, and let's dive in. So the next thing I'll be doing now is I'll wash my orange and the lemon, and I'm going to cut the zest. I'm going to cut the outer part, and I'm going to blend that using the witch hazel water, and I'll strain that. Just keep on watching, and I'm making vitamin C face serum, which is good for all ages, good for all different types of skin tone. And you can use this to glow your skin naturally, to get rid of hyper-pigmentation, to brighten your skin and to glow it.
Record.
So here is the orange back, and here is the lemon back. So I'm going to blend this two with witch hazel. I have witch hazel in this bottle. I'll be blending that two mixture with the witch hazel. So here's the lemon zest, the blended orange back and lemon back. I blended this with witch hazel, using witch hazel. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to strain this, and I'm just gonna strain this. Here's the combination of lemon and orange back. Vitamin C face serum. So here is the strained lemon and orange bark, which I blended with witch hazel. And now I'll be adding the 100% aloe vera soothing gel to make this vitamin C face serum. So I'm adding the 100% aloe vera soothing gel. So I added the aloe vera soothing gel into the strained lemon and orange peel. And keep in mind I'm still making vitamin C face serum. So the next thing is just to mix this very well. And I just use 2 tablespoons to mix this very well. And here is the final look. I made vitamin C face serum using lemon and orange bark peel, and I blended that in witch hazel, strained the contact out, and I mixed with 100% aloe vera soothing gel, which is good for face and body. And here is it. See, this can actually be used on different types of skin colors. You can use it on children too. If you want to get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, please try this. This face serum is very, very good. You can use on your body too. And here's a final look. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe, so that you get notification when I do different videos. I love you all. Bye for now.